friends, we are going to do some Minecraft unboxing. I've opened this before, but I think I can open it. Let's see. I've got to tell you this. Yeah. The boat first. Next. Get out the evidence. And this is also the first series. And also the drum can hold the trident if you didn't know. Maybe it's the other way around. Cool, it's the other way around. This is a chest. Ooh, it can actually open. I didn't know that. Oh, I think it dropped. I'll go and get it. We're back. So we have this. Let's see if we can put it in the chest. Okay, we already know the chest can open. We can put it inside. No problems. We can put the diamond in the chest. Let's see if the trident can hold, or drowned can hold the trident. Let's see. I don't think drowns hold tridents like that. Yeah, I think that's the way. No, this is the way. Like this. If you don't have a trident at home like this, do it like this. Well, without the trident. Without the trident, it should look like this. Okay, I don't know why this is here. Maybe we can test this with Steve. Steve can hold the diamond? Cool. He's holding the diamond. Okay, we got the blocks. I can take things out easily. As you saw from the start, this was here. Let's open it. Let's do this together. The cameraman and me. Well, it isn't the man, it's the woman. It's fine. You know that for yesterday. Okay, Mommy, how do we do this? I review you every time, Mommy. I review you every time. It's a block of coral. I can put this and this. Goes in. Just get something to put those in. Okay, here we go. Something to put in. The ground can also be here. I should put something behind it. This belongs to me. I just got it from there. Okay, I can do something really cool with it. Let's see. I can do it like this. Let me just get the fish out. I just took it out. Now let me just do the fishing rod. What is that? This is the fishing rod. And I can put this right here. Boom. Let me see if I can store two things. The fish. This is the fish. Yeah, I'll have to do it in a different way. Yeah, that's how the fish looks like. Okay, let me just get the diamond. Where did I put it? Not there. Where did I put it? And also, let's see how the fish does. Oh, the fish does good. Okay. Let's see what the trident looks like in Steve's hand. even hold it. But the drowned can. What makes logic with that? I can put this in the chest. You can put anything in the chest except for the trident and the fishing rod. And a person, but you can use it as a helmet, as my cousin Taris showed me. Let me just do something real quick. Boom. Okay. I'll tinker with stuff like that. Just a little bit of glue tack at the end, and I think I can do something very odd with this. Yeah, a backpack. And this is how he looks. It isn't a backpack, it's a chest, but you can do that. You can also do it on the head. It won't look good, but it's okay if you want it. Let me see. Let me try something. I think that is wrong. No, I do not want that. You can also use the top part of the helmet. You can do that. If you have an iron helmet, if you have an iron helmet and you have this diamond, put it in the crafting table if you have it. Put the iron helmet and the diamond. If you leave it for long enough, it will turn into a diamond helmet. Well, that's not how it does in Minecraft. Steve, chest, fish, dolphin, fishing rod, drown, trident, dolphin, diamond, brain coral, sponge, because I do not know what that block is. And there's also a diamond. Drowned. There's a trident here. Boat, chest, dolphin, fishing rod, Steve, diamond, and fish. There's also a dolphin and a boat. Green coral, blue coral, sponge. That isn't even a coral, but I put it there. Okay, this is the other video. As you saw from last, it was like this. I know. This other video got uploaded after the last video. So this is how it looks. Put it, yeah. And then it back to the ground. And he did it a few more times. Sick. And then to leave Steve to an ocean monument. He uses the boat to follow the fish. It's very hard to use a boat in Minecraft Xbox. I think you might know on a computer. I don't, because I haven't never played it on a computer. I've tried, it was too hard. Okay, now it's near an ocean monument. Steve gets out his diamond pickaxe. It's not really there. Actually, I can make him hold the diamond pickaxe, but it won't. Well, it can be an iron pickaxe, but I don't think it'll fit very well. This can be the pretend pickaxe, and it goes to the ocean monument. It goes to there. Dig one deep, get all the gold, and go back. The end of this video. Bye. Thanks for watching. I'll upload more fun videos.